This was our campsite for the night. Time to do the Wildcats. Woo! Woo! Ooh. Made it to the top of Wildcat. And here's the gondola. It's pretty cool. And I don't think I could take it down, but here it is. Ooh, here's a button. I'm not gonna press the button. Do I press the? No, I'm not gonna press the button. I'm gonna press the button. No, I'm gonna press the button. Oh, I think that's where we go. Cool. Pretty steep today.
And we are going straight up some wall rock thing.
Made it to the summit of Carter's Dome? Carter's Notch? Carter's Dome? I forget. Anyways, made it to the summit. It's pretty socked in up here, but it's nice and cool, so gonna cool off from the climb and keep her moving. Woo-wee! Well, it poured down on us, so now I'm soaking wet. But the sun's out again somehow, and hopefully the sun is bringing good weather with it. But never can be too sure out here on the Appalachian Trail. Never be so sure. Just kind of go with the flow. And sometimes the flow goes with you. Woo-hoo. So full view.